What actually is an indictment? We hear in the paper all the time, this one got indicted, that one got indicted. How do you get indicted? What are the effects of it and what does it mean? First of all, an indictment does not apply to municipal court charges. It only applies to indictable superior court charges. Just what is an indictment? After you get charged with a crime, it doesn't mean you're guilty because you're presumed innocent. However, if they have probable cause that you may have committed a crime, you get a charge. In New Jersey, in the majority of states, believe it or not, they don't have indictments on the state level. But New Jersey is one that does. It's a process that's supposed to protect the person accused. However, in reality, it's very easy to get an indictment. There's a cliche saying that even a lousy prosecutor could indict a ham sandwich. It's very easy to get an indictment. What it is 23 people from the community hear evidence. There could be hearsay evidence. The defendant's not allowed to be there. The defense attorney's not allowed to be there. And after hearing it, if the jury thinks that there's possibility they may be involved, which is almost in just about every single case. I think 99% of cases presented to a grand jury get indicted. So the 23 members, if half of them, which means if 12 of them think that there might be some evidence, it gets indicted. An indictment is not evidence of a crime, but it's a step in the procedure that then brings it to the next level, which is usually an arraignment, status conferences. Then you have to ultimately make a choice. Are we going to take a plea deal or are we going to go to trial? So that's what it comes down to. The law recently changed. If you've read in the paper, there's new bail reform. Bail reform, it's all around the papers. It's actually good for defendants because in the past, before the bail reform, which recently took place a couple months ago, prior to 2017, a person could sometimes sit in jail. Technically, they're only supposed to be held at the county for 6 months, then they had to be indicted. Sometimes people were there longer, though. Now, according to new bail reform laws, 90 days. Within 90 days of being charged and waiting in the county, you have to be indicted or the case has to be dismissed against you, and that's very good for a defendant.